DJU, Dow Jones Utility Index. Why is it important? Here are the names. Look at the names in here. You got Duke Energy, you got some bellwethers in here, and they haven't been able to pass on the cost to the consumers. This particular index in the utilities, you got Con Ed in here. Um, you've got various ones that pay great dividends in here. This is just the index, but let's take a look at what's alarming. On the weekly chart, we're in a bear reversal. It consolidates, but it made highs along with the market, but it has fallen through the 50-week moving average. This line right here, the yellow one, is 100-week. If we bust this trend line, that means the next major lower support level would be down here where the breakout happened right up here into January, and it pulls back and then makes all-time highs. Now, let's take a look at one thing. This was the all-time highs. These were the all-time lows in the financial crises. But I can tell you back in 2002 when we were putting the bottoms in, the utilities led the way. And boy, did they ever. Now, they can lead rallies. You want to see them doing well. But then look what happened. They fell off the cliff again in 2009. And for the last 3 years, we've made it back to where the major breakdown happened here, right here in the financial crisis to those lows right there. And that was the high. This is where we're currently at. It's very important that utilities survive at support levels, because if we continue to sell and break down through the 100-week, we would have, you can see what happened to this purple line. That's called a 50-week moving average. And you can see just how it sold through it. Now, this would apply on anything now. Anytime you're breaking, a lot of distribution, a lot of people selling. So this is going to be the 2012 lower end of that support level, and we're coming through it. If we bust it, the only support level that would be really major next is going to be half of this weekly bar, which is going to be right about here. Right there. And that's slightly below it. This is where, that's where the rally started. Bam, it pulls back. We made great highs, but utilities are at risk. If we hit a weekly sell signal, we go lower. It has a key ingredient with the broader market. That means the whole Wall Street tape. And look at, when we look at bear and we look at bull, this is a bear reversal in the utilities.